Hello, my name is Leo, and I've been actively using GitHub and Confluence in my work since I've been 5 years old. I manage our company's project documentation, release notes for our products, and ensure that my teammates are up to date. However, unlike my team, I'm not the smartest or most productive. All of this takes up a lot of time. I've stopped spending time with my family. My son can't even remember my name anymore. I've stopped eating and sleeping properly. I hate that I constantly have to switch between Confluence and GitHub, and my team says that they don't want to read the documentation because it's not informative and doesn't provide any context about what's happening in our GitHub. My team hates my documentation so much that they once beat me up in the parking lot. But everything changed when I discovered GitHub links for Confluence. Now I can create documentation that's genuinely useful. My colleagues love me again and consider me the coolest guy on the team. The best part is that with GitHub links for Confluence, I've been more productive because this application does a ton of things automatically for me. It looks so magical that J.K. Rowling should consider writing a new book, Harry Potter and the GitHub links for Confluence. Now, when I use this application, I have much more time to do my favorite things, such as paragliding over eruption volcano, surfing on the slopes of Kilimanjaro, beering in the ocean, which is like regular fishing, but you catch bears and drink beer. And if you want to be as cool as me, give me another 30 seconds and I will demonstrate you how it works. Hello, here's a quick demo of a new release of our new application called Ski Resort Arduino Arcalis, and this is part of Confluence documentation. We use milestone information which is embedded using GitHub milestone link. Straight away you can see here the state of milestone. You don't need to go back to GitHub and understand details of a particular milestone. Not only this, we can put here main issues as one issue where you see all labels, assignees and so on, as well as a list of open issues, which helps you bring context to your documentation. Main changes could be linked as pull requests from GitHub. As you see, we automatically generate a summary of pull request using ChatGPT, but in the first case it was throttled. However, for the next two ones it works fine. On top of this, you can use close pull request to generate release notes in seconds instead of minutes. In this section you will see that we categorized a particular pull request change and as well as made a summary, so you don't need to write, understand everything. So without any context switching, you can quickly pull out release notes for your changes. On top of this, you can embed release notes, files, readme files, config files, source code files, keys, and tons of other stuff directly from GitHub into Confluence and summarize it as well. And the last but not least, usually we referenced previous releases in our releases section, so you can easily understand what we're building upon on top. And it's automatically generated summary, but if you don't like the summary of a particular GitHub release, you can of course see original notes. Thank you very much and world class. Cheers.